Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video, I share with you some country farmhouse decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Country farmhouse decor is a warm, cozy, rustic yet elegant decorating style inspired by traditional rural farmhouses. It blends simplicity, comfort, and natural materials to create an inviting, homey atmosphere. It feels lived in, charming, and timeless, never too fancy, never too modern. Here's a clear breakdown. Rustic wooden coffee table. Use a chunky, reclaimed wood coffee table to bring instead farmhouse character. Messenger vases. Fill them with wildflowers, bamboo glass, or cotton stem. Vintage milk cans. Use as corner decor to turn them into flower stands. Iron wall hooks. Hang aprons, hats, or baskets. Functional and rustic. Open kitchen shelves. Display dishes, jars, or enamelware for a real farmhouse vibe. Chunky knit throws, soft, cozy, and perfect for adding texture to sofas or beds. Botanical artwork, framed wallflowers, or vintage herb prints add nature-loving charm. Barn door cabinet. Use sliding barn doors for TV units, pantries, or bathroom vanities. Wooden leather shelf. Lean and old leather on a wall to store blankets or display decor. Distressed white furniture. Softly weathered white print brings a cozy, lived-in feel. Rustic entryway bench. Add a distressed wooden bench in your entryway, spread with wooden baskets underneath and soft plaid cushions on top. It creates a warm, welcoming farmhouse moment right at the decor. Farmhouse style pantry jars. Use clear glass jars with modern lids for flour, spices, and snacks. Line them on open shelves to create a charming, organized country-style pantry that looks beautiful and functional. Weathered wood accent wall. Install a wood plank wall using reclaimed board in soft grays and browns. It instantly transforms from room into a cozy farmhouse space full of rustic warmth and texture. Farmhouse plate wall. Create a statement wall by hanging mismatched vintage plates in various shapes and floral patterns. It adds personality, charm, and nostalgic farmhouse flair to kitchens or dining rooms. Vintage trunk coffee table. Use an old wooden trunk as a coffee table. It adds rustic character, provides hidden storage, and brings a lively sense of history into your farmhouse living room. Soft floral curtains. Hang lightweight floral cotton curtains in gentle pastels. They allow natural light to glow while giving your space that soft, romantic farmhouse feeling that looks both and really warm. Thanks for watching the video.